What's up guys, in this video I want to compare Doogee Mix 2 and the Mix Alpha X on the speed test level, So let's jump into specification of the Doogee. LP25 8-core CPU, 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 1080p plus display, this is a full HD plus display, Android 7.1.1. the battery on the Doogee Mix 2 is 4060 mAh. Price as a present is £162. Why the Mix Alpha X? It's practically the same thing if you look at it. LP25, same processor speed, 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 6-inch phone, full HD plus display, 1080p plus display, 3900 mAh, Android 7.0. Price as a present of this video is selling for £153. So anyway, here is a 6GB RAM battle. Let's see the RAM management of both devices. I've never done this before. I don't know which one is going to come through, and I don't have preference. I don't care which one wins or which one lose, So let's jump into the test now. Both devices are off, so I'm going to switch it on now. All right, so let's switch on now. Okay, so that's it. So I'll wait for them to boot up. So the boot test, I don't really care, but let's see which one boot very quickly. Still, I don't really care which one comes first. I'm more concerned about RAM management and on the devices, just RAM management, how they both handle RAMs if you launch too many applications. Are they gonna reload in the background? Are they gonna stay in the background? We're gonna see in this video. So let's wait for the phone to boot up. Okay, so I don't know. I think the Mix. Oh, yeah, that's it. The Mix Alpha X come first. The Doogee is still okay, not by many seconds, maybe by 3 seconds delay, not too much. So I'm just gonna put my pin now. So both devices are booted. I've unlocked the device. So let's start the first application. CNN application, the first one. You can see came on very quickly on the Mix Alpha X. So let's open that article up. Let's try to play the video in the background. I'm gonna leave it that way, and let's see if it come back. We're gonna make it there. ESPN application, the second one. Wow, the Mix Alpha X is ready. Why the Doogee is still struggling? Okay, finally it came on. Okay. All right, so let's open this article. Let's play the video. Maybe it's gonna be the background when we come back. So let's come back to Twitter. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here. So we come back. Let's see if everything will be in the background. Fitness application. Next one. So let's see. Oh, at the same time, they both came on at the same time. That's good. That's good. That's good. So let's play this video. I hate this advert, Okay, we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna come back. Hopefully, RAM management is my concern in these devices, I want to see which one will be able to keep the application in memory. 6GB RAM is a lot, so Uber, you can see Mix Alpha X is doing a great job here. There's no contest. You can see. I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay. Oh, all right. I think they came on at the same time. Yeah. This is Nintendo website on Chrome. Let's see which one is gonna come on first. Oh, the Doogee did it first. Okay, followed by the. So let's try and open this article up. Is it complete? Some tests are missing here, Some tests are missing. Yeah, you can see. I don't know why. Some tests are missing, so I'm gonna leave it there. Then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna leave it on story. Then I'm gonna come back later. All right, so we go to eBay. Still on the Doogee phase. I think the Doogee is taking over from me. You know, it's taking over. Okay, let's leave in this radio. I'm gonna leave it there. We're gonna come back later. All right. So, Amazon shopping. Wow. You see, it's like a battle between both of them. Sometimes the Doogee leads, sometimes the Mace Alpha X leads. So, let's see. This one, let's click on this. Deal of the day. Upload the picture up. What's going on? Okay, I'm gonna leave it here as a reference, so I'm coming back later. So far score. Okay, so let's go to Spain. Barcelona game. As you know, I'm a Barcelona fan. Alright, so I live in this game playing right there. So I'm coming back later. Alright, one football application. Came on very quickly on the Mace Alpha X. You can see that. So Nimbele, okay. But I'm gonna leave in that article. So let's move on to YouTube. Alright, so let's go on to one of my videos. Almost same time. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna come back later to this video. Subway Surfer. You can see the 6 gig RAM makes a lot of difference here, and it's almost the same thing. They both running the application almost the same time, the same speed, but RAM management matters, and this is due to software optimization. You know, you see the Mace Alpha S is still coming very quick in the Doogee mix. You can see for yourself. So all right, so I'm gonna leave it there. Beauty Spot application. So let's go to Beauty Spot. Okay. So I'm gonna watch this live. I think the Mace Alpha X is doing that job very quickly. Yeah, I have to be very honest with you guys. You see, so they both 6 gig RAM. That's it. Okay, when it comes to gaming, oh, because I went landscape mode. When it comes to gaming, all right. So when it comes to gaming, let's try games. As for AS stream. What's going on? I think. Let's see. Wow. Just by split seconds, but the Mace Alpha X is still doing a good job. He's killing the Doogee right here, to be very honest with you. I'm not interested in this. I'm just gonna leave it here. So I know it might restart the game, because most phones do restart the game. They can't hold the game in memory. Okay, so as far as stream. Okay, interesting. This is the most interesting part. This is where I get more excited when I want to go back to the application to see what's going on. Checking online profile. Yes, I think this is due to the game, but you can see he's already waiting on the Doogee. All right, so I'm just gonna leave all this. I'm not interested in playing the game at the moment. So now let's go back and check all the apps. Maybe they are still in the memory. CNN application, the first one. Remember, we're playing a video. Wow. Good job to both devices. They're still playing the video in the background. Good job. ESPN application. I was playing a video too on Coutinho and Barcelona. Oh my word. Oh my word. I don't know what's happening. I think the Miss Alpha X went into the article. He wanted me to click play video, but the Doogee Miss is trying to reload the video, but something is not right. You can see there's no article here on the Doogee Miss. So he's trying to reload the video, but nothing is happening. So they both failed in that department, to be honest. They both failed. Twitter, I left it on that laptop, I remember. Good job. Good job. Good job. Fitness application. Oh, shame. Shame. Oh, no. I was playing a video, if you remember. Uber. There's nothing on Uber because I wanted to search, but I forgot. So there's nothing on Uber. It's just to see which one will load very quickly. And I think the Miss Alpha X is loading the, or maybe almost the same thing. All right. Chrome. I left it on story. They reloaded, but let's see which one. No, that's not where I left it. If you remember, I left it somewhere. I think there's something called story, I remember. Yeah, this is where I left it. Yeah, okay. They both fell in that department to eBay. I remember I left it on, yeah, on the radio. The Doogee Miss came first anyway. So you can see there's not much difference. It's up to your personal preference now. Which devices, it's up to your personal preference to choose any of the devices, you know. There's not much difference. So for score, I left it on Barcelona versus Levante. Still 2-0. Came on very quickly on the Miss Alpha X. One football application. Miss did a great job. YouTube. You can see started playing on Miss first. See. Subway suffer. It's asking me to resume, and this one hanging on the. Wait a minute. Am I gonna resume this game and it's gonna start again? Let's see. Let's wait for the Doogee to finish. What's gonna happen? Oh, no way. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Can you see the difference? So that's the difference of both devices. I think I give it to the Miss Alpha X. BD Sport, I was watching Arsenal game. Good job. Steady memory. Good job. Good job. And then as for 8, I bet they're gonna reload. I'm pretty sure they're gonna reload, and that's what happened. They reloaded the game, both of them, because I've done this times with that number, and this happens every time I do this kind of video. They reloaded the game. Even Samsung reload the game itself sometimes, you know, the Galaxy S8 Plus and the Note 8, they do reload the game sometimes. So that's for sure. So if you're wondering which one is the winner, I think for me there's a tie here, and if I were to give it to anything, let's say oh, did you see that? On the Doogee, Asphalt Extreme did not reload. I thought oh my god, sorry. Okay, I made a mistake. I was supposed to click Asphalt Extreme, and I switched to another screen. But on the Doogee, it's still staying on claim. Huh. Oh my days. So I don't know, I kind of miss feeling now which one is the winner, because I almost declared the Miss Alpha X the winner, but that game here, you know, this one here, this one right there, it gave me shocking about the Doogee, you know. It counts a lot to me, you know. I think that this is a tie, to be honest. It's hit and miss for both of them. You know, sometimes the Doogee reload, sometimes the Miss Alpha X reload. So But when we look at apps that launch very quickly, I think is a miss Alpha X. But guys, that's it. You know, there's no much difference in these devices. I can tell you, you've seen it for yourself. Whatever you're buying, you should not compare something else. If you want to compare the screen, the camera, the performance, you know, the processing performance, that's another thing entirely. If the 6 gig RAM is what you're using to get any of those devices, I think none of them will fail you, because the 6 gig RAM will hold application in memory, you know, without reloading. So that's for sure. You've seen it for yourself. Both applications will be held in memory, you know. If you switch application, if you move out of application, if you're using multitasking, I think that's it. Some application will reload, but it's normal. Price budget under £200. What can you get? You know, and don't forget the screen is crazy, full HD plus. So I think that's a good thing. You know, these people are trying out and they're trying to make money, trying to satisfy you guys too. So guys, I think that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you when I'm making a video. Bye. God bless.